Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change captions text size on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and go to system. In system, scroll down again and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again and go to audio and on-screen text section. Here you can see the captions. And okay guys, you'll have to do stop captions. Here in caption, make sure the caption is enabled or turned on. And okay guys, you can see here in caption the text size, and the text size is set into normal. And okay guys, to change the caption text size, you'll have to do stop this and the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can see the option of caption text size, so you can set into very small or small, normal, large, or you can set into very large. So okay guys, so I decide to change into large. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed the caption text size on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.